Annuity. Question 1. A. Explain the type of annuity and the term used in the formula. Annuity is a series of equal payments made at the end of equal interval of regular time period for fixed duration. Annuity can be classified into many classes, which are annuity certain, general annuity, annuity due, and more. However, in this chapter, we only discuss about ordinary annuity certain, where payments are made at the end of each payment periods, and the interest and payment periods are of the same interval. Future value. The future value of annuity is the sum of all the future values of the predict payment. The formula to calculate the future values of the annuity is S equal to R open bracket 1 plus I raised to the n minus 1 over I close bracket, where R is periodic payment, I is interest rate per interest period, and the n is term of investment. The formula to calculate the present value of the annuity at the end of investment period is A equal to R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket raised to the negative n over I close bracket.
The first question for the annuity chapter is 10 years ago I received 300 ringgit every month in an account that pay interest at 3% compounded monthly. Today he withdraw 10,000 ringgit to pay for the down payment of a car. The balance of the car is to be borrowed from a bank that charge interest at 5% compounded monthly. He plans to pay 1,000 ringgit every month for 20 years to settle his debt to the bank. Find the amount left in the account after withdrawal, the amount borrowed from the bank, and the outstanding balance if we decide to settle all debts immediately after paying the loan for 12 years. Based on the question given, we have R equal to 300 ringgit, K equals to 3%. Our time given is 10 years. Frequency of the interest compounded is 12, and I equal with K over M, which is 0.03 divided by 12 equal to 1 over 400, and is equal to m multiplied with t, hence we need to multiply 12 with 10 and we get 120. For this question, we are required to use the future value formula, so we should substitute all the information given. S is equal to 300 in bracket 1 plus 1 over 400 the power of 120 divided by 1 over 400, and we get S equal to 41,922 ringgit 43 cents. But we need to minus with 10,000 ringgit, which is the money Ira withdraws. So S equal to 31,922 ringgit 43 cents. Next, based on the question given, we have I equal K over M, which is 5% over 12 equal to 1 over 240, and is equal to M multiplied with T. So we need to multiply 12 with 20 and we get 240, and R equal to 1,000 ringgit. For this question, we are required to use the present value formula. A equal to 1,000 in bracket 1 minus with another bracket 1 plus 1 over 240 the power of negative 240 divided by 1 over 240. We get A equal to 151,525 ringgit 31 cents. Lastly, R and I as the amount previously, and for the time 20 minus 12 equal to 8. For our n is equal m multiplied t, which is 12 multiplied with 8 equal to 96. For this question, we use the present value to A equal to 1,000 in bracket 1 minus with another bracket 1 plus 1 over 240 the power of negative 96 divided by 1 over 240. So we get A is equal to 78,989 ringgit 44 cents.
Hi, my name is Hannah. The question B2 is Joshua bought a house at 265 ringgit with 10% down payment, of which the interest charge 12% compounded monthly for 35 years. So, I will show how to calculate the monthly payment, the total interest charge, the 6 payment to settle the outstanding arrears if Joshua failed to pay the first 5 payments, and the payment after 395th payment to settle the balance. First question is calculate the monthly payment. I use present value formula, which is A equal to R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus I power of negative n over I. Then find the value of A, which is 2,600 minus 26,500 equal to 238,500. I equal to 0.01 and n equal to 420. So the answer of R is 238,500 over 98.4688 equal to 2,422.09 ringgit. The second question is find the total interest charge, which is the formula we'll use is I equal to NR minus A. So the value of I is 420 times with 2,422.09 minus 238,500 and equal to 778,777.80 ringgit. The third question is, if Joshua failed to pay the first 5 payments, how much should he pay on the 6th payment to settle the outstanding arrears? For this question, I use future value formula, which is S equal to R in bracket 1 plus I power of n minus 1 over I. The value of n is 6. So, the last answer is 14,900.73. So it is the calculation how to get the answer which is 2422.09 times with 6.152015 and get the answer. Last question is, after the 395 payment, Joshua wishes to settle the balance with single payment. How much should the payment be? I use present value formula again for this question, but this question need to find value of A. So the new n is 420 minus 395 equal to 25. So the answer of A is 2422.09 times with 22.0231,557 equal to 53,342.07 ringgit.
Trade and cash discount. Question 2. A. Explain the definition of trade and cash discount as well as the term used in these two types of discount. In this chapter, we will discover about two types of discount, which are trade and cash discount. Trade discount is the amount of discount given on the price of the item, not on the other costs like transportation or postage costs. Meanwhile, cash discount means the amount of discount given to customers who pay the bill within a specific time. The formula for trade discount is D equal to L minus NP, or D equal to D times L, where D is amount of trade discount, L is list price, and D is trade discount, and NP is net price. For net price formula is NP equal to open bracket 1 minus D close bracket. And lastly, for cash discount, the formula is NP equal to L open bracket 1 minus C close bracket.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Aimuni Dalila bin Terusan and I would like to present the trade and cash discount question. So the question is, Harmony Sediam Berhad received an invoice date on 24 May 2021 from a supplier with trade discount offer of 30% and cash discount terms 5, 15 and 16 for the following items. So the first question is the trade discount received. For the trade discount received, we use formula D which is trade discount offer times L as is list price. As you can see, I'm already find the total of list price, which is 9,408 ringgit. So for the trade discount received, 30% times list price, which is 9,408 ringgit. So 30 over 100 times which a list price 9,408 ringgit. So the trade discount received, so the total of trade discount received is 2,844 ringgit. The next question is the last day for payment to get a cash discount. Harmony Sediam Berhad received an invoice on 24 May 2021. Harmony Sediam Berhad need to make a payment in 15 days to get a 5% cash discount. So the last day for Harmony Sdn Bhd to make a payment is 50 days after 24 March, which is on 8 June 2021. The third question is the amount due if the invoice was paid in full on 5 June 2021. Harmony Sdn Bhd paid the invoice on 5 June 2021, which is in 12 days. Because he paid in 12 days, he got 5% cash discount. For this question, we use formula NP equals to L times Y minus D times Y minus C. L, 9,480 ringgit times Y minus 0.3, which is 30% trade discount, and times Y minus 0.05, which is 5% cash discount. So the total amount Harmony Sdn Bhd paid on 5 June 2021 is 6,304 ringgit and 20 cents. The last question is the cash discount received if the payment was settled on the last day of the discount period. For this question, we use formula NP equals to L times Y minus C. L, 9,480 ringgit minus times 9,480 ringgit times Y minus 0.05, which is 5% cash discount. So we get the net price equals to RM 9,006 ringgit. So for the cash discount, we need to minus list price with net price. List price 9,480 ringgit minus with net price 9,006 ringgit. So for the cash discount, we got 474 ringgit.
A retailer purchased 15 sets of sliding wardrobe at 4,500 each. He was offered trade discount of 15%, 7% and 4%. The cash discount terms were 5 per 15 and N per 30. He also had to pay 500 for transportation costs. Calculate the total payment made for all the sliding wardrobe 10 days from the date of invoice. So the answer for this question is, to get the L, we need to times 4,500 with 15. So we got L equal to 67500. To get the net price equal to L times all the chain discount and times 1 minus C. So 67500 times open bracket 0.85 times 0.93 times 0.96 times 0.95. The value for NP is RM 48663.18. After that, we need to plus net price with transportation cost, which is 48663.18 plus 5,500. So the last answer for this question is RM 49,163.80.